Hey VV Nation, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Glenn Tompkins, Senior Instructor here at VectorVest. Always love bringing these videos to you. Well, this is Friday, the week before the Fed announcement. So I wanted to do a video to keep you in line to hopefully make money no matter what the Fed does, because the Fed announcement is really what's going to move the market next week. Prior to that, the market's going to be doing a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So I wanted you to be prepared no matter what happens going into next week. No news, no anything like that. I've got 10 stocks for you to look at, and I'm going to tell you why I picked them. All right, let's go right into the software. Here's the 10 stocks. It's actually 5 stocks and 5 Contra ETFs, because the market could really go in either direction. So let me tell you how I went through the process to find the stocks, and then how I went through the process of finding the Contra ETFs. So I have this sorted now, right now, by CI. So I wanted to find from the perspective of what stocks for you to look at, the stocks that have price growth persistence. That's what CI is, the comfort index, the stock's ability to withstand long or lengthy price declines. Pretty much in layman's terms, the stocks more so go up than go down. So as I sort this by CI, my 5 stocks come to the top of the list. Tankers, SMCI, First Solar, and AEHR have my CIs all above the value of 1. These are stocks that consistently go up more than they go down, no matter what the market is doing. That's why that indicator is so important. So then to find the stocks that I wanted, or the ETFs, Contra ETFs, because the market could go down, I want to make sure that this portfolio or this watch list is hedge. I sort it now by RT, and you'll see that my Contras come to the top of the list. We've got the banks, we've got FAZ, we have DRIP, we have TZA, and we have LABD. So all of these Contras are all having RTs above 1, which tells me that these are in uptrends right now as the market is slowly but surely pulling back. And, I don't know how slow, but the market's got a level of support. We'll talk about that in a live stream, maybe later on this week, in regards to what's going on from that perspective. But I wanted you to be prepared no matter what happens. This is going to be my last 6 p.m. video for this week. Going into next week, I've already recorded 3 videos for the 6 p.m. videos next week. Once I come back off of my cruise, we're going to take a look at what these stocks did. The Fed will have already spoken. The market will have already done what it's going to do. I want to see how these would have worked out for you if you would have considered being prepared no matter what happens. As I mentioned, this is going to be a short video because there's not much for me to have to talk about. I'm using the power of the VectorVest system to find you 5 quality stocks by way of price growth persistence and 5 Contra ETFs by way of relative timing. No news, all within the power in the VectorVest system to put together these 10 stocks altogether, 5 stocks, 5 Contra ETFs for you to keep your eyes on. Folks, this is probably one of my shortest 6 p.m. videos, but again, not much to have to do. Wanted to show you, give you the stocks and Contras to look at and explain to you how I got to that point. Well, it is what it is. And again, once I come back off of my cruise, we're going to take a look and see how they perform. I'm trying to put my money where my mouth is to see how these would have worked out for you. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya.